September 27, 2014, Saturday, around 4 o'clock. It has been pouring like this ever since 2 o'clock. Remember 3 weeks ago on September 8th, the heavy rains that flooded our park and filled out our pool. I was worried about being flooded. Well, it's a similar situation right now, and it's been coming down quite steadily. It's a thunderstorm and rainstorm, a full-fledged storm. I'm going to walk all the way towards our gate that leads to Woodglen Park in Mesa, Arizona, so you could see what the park looks like right now. I'm going to open the gate for you to see. This is how it looks like, okay? And this is how it looks with the open gate. As you can see on my left, the water from the streets is collected by the drainage system, and everything comes in here, turning our park into a lake. We don't have any canoe paddlers yet. I've seen some ducks earlier and geese. You can see them in the distance over there enjoying the water, and it's just raining. A few minutes ago we had strong winds. Now they subsided. September 27, 2014, around 4:30 p.m.